Okay, so hey guys, I'm back. I was told to turn the camera on again. Um, I went ahead and I was getting into my pajamas, getting ready to go to bed. So kind of got hat head here and all, but thought my hair actually looked kind of cool. The colors, the way it's lighting up in the camera. But anyways, um, yeah. So I was told to turn back on the camera. So we'll see if this actually gets posted because I have no idea what I'm supposed to say, gonna say. Yeah, just turn back on the camera. So, guess I'll just get comfy and we'll see how it goes. I know I was thinking of something. I think when I was changing clothes, I think that's what prompted me to turn back on the camera, but then I got sidetracked with something else and didn't get it turned on right away, so then naturally I forgot. So, well, guess we can just sit here and chit chat, until something comes up. Maybe I'll just start doing these random chit chats, and that way I'll always have the camera on, so it'll always catch all the downloads that I'm getting that I don't get to write down and I forget. So if I just have the camera on all the time, you guys can just chill with me and we'll get the downloads. I guess maybe I should probably do it live though, because waiting for these damn things to upload is ridiculous. So yeah, I might have to figure out that whole live thing. And then like, just go live all the time. So what's up? Yeah, this would be easier going live because then you guys could answer me back. Yeah. And then I could actually have a conversation while I'm sitting here, twiddly diddly in my mind. Whatever that is, twiddly diddly, I don't know. I know my neck feels like it needs a pop. But in heaven. Okay, mind you, it's like 7 o'clock on a Friday night. And I'm in my PJs yawning. So, I mean, not that I, have a life. I always think I want to, get out and be amongst people. And then I get out and be amongst people. And it's either exhausting or I don't know. I guess mostly just exhausting. I'm trying to think of exactly why that's exhausting. I mean, I know why, but like trying to when, I wasn't expecting to burr on camera. Okay. Anyways. All right. Compose myself here. Probably because the majority of the collective consciousness that is out and about in the 3D world, conscious reality, I guess, sort of conscious reality. No, that's kind of not the right way to put that. Oh, because that's a whole other video. Anyways, let's see. Damn it. See, you guys could remind me where I was at if I was doing this live. um, oh yeah. The majority of the collective consciousness is vibrating at a lower vibration. And I don't know. I think I'm probably supposed to be looking up there at the corner, but it makes me feel like I'm talking to somebody when I look at myself. So I hope, I hope that makes you guys laugh as much as it does me. um, yeah, so sheesh. Uh, so it's exhausting to try to maintain your vibration. If the people around you, even if momentarily, don't rise to meet your vibration. Because, like, I know for myself, a lot of times when I'm out in public, short spans, like going to the grocery store or the dollar store or the gas station, I don't get out much. Because when, I think I'm drilling. When I get out in large groups, oh, my ear itches. Yeah, it's just much more to deal with. But small groups and one-on-one, I feel like 95 to 99% of the time am able to change the vibration if the vibration's low. And if for whatever reason my vibration's not low, but I really, really try hard these days to make sure that doesn't happen, especially when I go out and about. But just in general, because it really doesn't matter if I'm out amongst people or by myself, it absolutely affects, an environment and well, the entire system, and yours does too. It's not like I'm saying, hey, I'm special or anything. I mean, we're all special and we all have that ability. But I'm just talking about it, and not everybody is. There is a lot in the spiritual community, a lot of people that have some fabulous information, some people that I really owe, a debt of gratitude for helping me understand. Nobody, like I was saying, I think in the last video, nobody can tell you what you're going through, because you're going through your own thing, but they can help you understand sometimes the why, because the why is usually the same for all of us. The how is it making you grow and expand, and why that had to happen, like the overall, but not what's happening to you, and when it's happening. So, and people can trigger, and we can think of that as negative or positive. I really try to see most days that triggers are a positive, because ultimately, whenever we're triggered, that's saying something's wrong, or something doesn't vibe with our soul, and so we should be asking why. Why doesn't that vibe with our soul? And if that doesn't vibe with our soul, what is supposed to vibe with our soul, or what does vibe with our soul? So triggers, I think, are a good thing. And I guess maybe I've had to take on that mentality, because not only have I been triggered, it feels like at every turn over these past months, I guess, maybe longer. It's all getting to be such a blur. Like, because once I started, oh wow, I just now thought of this. Like, integrating timelines, like going back through, like, and doing the dark night of the soul and clearing up deep emotional wounds and things. That was like, oh my gosh, I didn't realize just how weird I am sometimes. Funny faces. Anyway, I digress from the message. Shit. Give me a second. Damn it. I wish I could rewind this and be like, what did I just say? Because that really makes it hard to finish this when I can't do that. Oh well. Damn it. I can't think of it now. I got a damn song playing in my head. See, I don't think that's cool because I don't think that's the mind erasers. I get the songs in my head most of the time. I think it is I think I'm going to come up with a new term because I don't necessarily like all the ones I've called him in the past and like what the community calls it. So, I don't know, I have to think on that. But anyways, my counterpart, my divine counterpart. I guess my divine mirror, maybe. Because I'm not even sure if divine counterpart is the right term anymore. Man, this probably won't get posted because I just keep losing my train of thought. I think somebody else is home. I thought I heard TV. Let's see, what was I talking about in the last video? Oh yeah, experiences. There's something on my phone. It's like right on my eye. Damn it. I have to figure out how to merge videos so I can go back and watch them and figure out what the hell I didn't say and what I was saying so I can get back on track. Because whether I know most of the people in the communities that I interact with, you guys already know this stuff. Or most of this stuff, or, we're like on one of those weird, not weird, it's normal, but I gotta scoot down. Every time I'm in my head, I scoot out of the frame. I got some crazy hair. Yeah, so, but I know that these messages are meant to be put out there because it's not like I normally would just like hang out, hang out in bed and just be talking to you guys or talking to people. Because these energies have been, making me sleepy. That I remember I was going there somewhere, or going there a little bit ago. I got sidetracked about, being at home in my jammies at 7 o'clock on a Friday night. Oh yeah, and the energy and being out in public, and how most of the time I can raise the vibration when I'm around other people. Even if they're in a bad mood. I love that. That makes me happy. I like helping people. That makes me happy. Wow, that was funny. Anyways, it was a time on the timer there. I really wish I could remember that last thing I was talking about. Because it's not the earlier things that was feeling like it was important. I was evolving into something else. I don't know, I might have to watch this one before I upload it. Because it may not have anything intelligent to say at all. Bunch of funny faces. But I really feel like I was told to turn it on for a reason, but now we're like 17 minutes in, and I can't remember if I gave any good reason for it yet or not. Guess I'm just gonna sit here and amuse myself. Excuse me. Damn it. Now my eyes are all watery. And guess we're gonna call it, man. Peace, love, and light out. Till next time.